In today's video, I will show you how to edit your audio on CapCut PC. Start by selecting audio clip you want to edit. Make sure it's selected for the editing option to appear on the right side. You can adjust volume of audio by moving slider to right to increase volume or to left to decrease it. To create fade-in effect at the beginning of audio, click on fade-in option. You can also apply fade-out effect at the end of your audio. CapCut offers noise reduction feature to help reduce unwanted background noise in your audio. Simply click on the noise reduction option to apply it. CapCut offers loudness normalization. It normalizes original loudness of selected clip or clips to standard value. You can change voice. There are various voice effects that you can apply to your audio. Simply select the effect you want to apply and it will be added to your video.